Hello everybody, I hope you are doing excellent. My name is Santiago Garcia and I'm gonna show you today a challenge for the local hack day of the Major League Hacking 2021. This was a challenge for a computer vision project and I did it with OpenCV and a great open source project called Darknet, especially YOLO. It gives an approach for convolutional neural networks and it tries to give you advantage of the neural networks programmed with the YOLO approach. It's really interesting. It has a lot of math and theory, and I'm not gonna programming it from scratch, but I'm gonna use it and try to show you how I did it. I also used OpenCV as an open source project for computer vision in Python and also C++, and I'm gonna be using the deep neural network module. I'm not gonna go into detail of the code. You can find it here at my GitHub account as OpenCV Basics, and I'm gonna show you what I did. It's basically a project that tries to detect some objects. I have a list of the most common day objects, and I'm gonna show you what it can do. So when you run the file, you give an image or as an input, and the output should be an image with the specific marks of the detected things. Here, as you can see, you can find persons and a bicycle. Here, we will find a refrigerator, microwave, person, bottle, and a paddle. So as you can see, it tries to detect objects. It doesn't work perfectly, but it does a really, really good approach. And I didn't have to train it from scratch. I had to learn how to use it. So it gives you an advantage, but if you want to go farther, you can train your own deep neural network and do a great approach for these multi-object detections in Python. So yeah, this was my project for the local hack day challenge for today, and I hope you liked it.